The first case is from a Muslim, sir. This town has got something like 30 to 40% Muslim population, and it's really surprising to note that a person from a remote locality, this is old Guntur, has turned to be positive much before any case reported in the state of AP, sir. So the police here, along with the revenue administration, has taken it as a challenge and started investigating the backward linkages of his infection, how he has contracted the virus and all, sir. So in this backdrop, sir, when this man was questioned, he was, as everybody, this man is also reluctant to say where was he before for the last 1 week or so, where he might have got contracted with this virus and all. So after serious persuasion with this man and verifying his call details as to where he has gone, where he was, to whom he has spoken to, all the details were taken. And after thorough verification, it was revealed that he has been to Markaz, sir, Nizamuddin, where he attended that Tablighi Jamaat conclave meeting between 1st and 15th of March 2020. So having gone there, nobody knows that the conclave was the hotspot at the time.
He came to Delhi for that?
Yes, sir, he came to Delhi, Nizamuddin, sir. So where the people from various countries and various states in the countries have come, sir. About 2,000 to 3,000 TJs from all over the world have gathered there in the Markaz area, which everybody knows is a very congested area, and they live in a very small sized flats and all for 15 days. And somehow he contracted the virus there and came out to AP. And no sooner he came to AP, he was tested, sir, because of the fever, symptomatic kind of thing. So he turned to be positive. So once we traced his contract to the TJ conclave, what we did is, sir, in order to know how many people from AP and more particularly from Guntur have really attended the TJ conclave. So all of them might have returned, and these are considered to be the potential sources for the further infection in the district and also the state. So for this, what we did is, sir, we immediately sent a team to Delhi, and we verified the various cell phone towers which are operating in that area, in the Markaz area. Took the help of IB also, and got the data of all the Andhra-based mobile numbers which were figuring in the towers there. So based on that, sir, we shortlisted good number of Andhra numbers, which include the regular passers-by also, who have been working in Delhi but using the Andhra number. And in the shortlisting, sir, we could identify 1100 members, sir. 1100 members who have directly participated. Some of them have directly participated in the TJ conclave, or who have been residing in the area where they got sufficient exposure to the people who actually attended the conclave. So these 1100 people were traced in Andhra Pradesh based on their subsequent CDRs or the tower location which has shifted to Andhra Pradesh. and they were put under serious institutional quarantine in order to prevent them from being acting as a potential further contact or the spreading of the virus in the like this, sir, in the Guntur district Tablighi Jamaat, sir. These have directly participated in the conclave and returned to the Guntur urban district, and they were seriously quarantined. And before they are quarantined, sir, they got something like 299 who are the primary contacts of theirs, with whom these DJs have traveled together or had some dinner across the table or shared some sleeping equipment, something like that. And in addition to the 299 primary contacts, sir, we got 1393 secondary contacts also. That means the secondary contact is somebody to whom this man went to purchase a non-veg, or to a market to purchase some vegetable, or some cell phone recharge shop to get his SIM recharged, or a compounder who has tested his temperature. These are all the secondary contacts, sir. So altogether, something like 1,500 people are there, sir, who are the contracts of these 69 TJs. And these primary and secondary contracts are also made to be made to undergo institutional home isolation, sir, because of which this spread of the virus has been curtailed, sir. So had it not been for the initiative taken by the this Guntur district police in identifying the people who actually attended the teach and all, sir, it would have been the spread of the virus might have been on a little bit reasonably high side, sir. So the timely intervention and pointing the investigation towards the source which lies outside the state, sir, has resulted in curtailing the spread of the virus from the people who attended, and also the primaries and secondaries of those people who actually attended, sir. So this is one of the good investigatory work done by the Guntur Urban Police, sir. In addition to that, sir, the person who actually turned positive, who actually attended this, family members of his were also the primaries. The entire chain in which this infection has spread among the family members and the other secondary contacts, the entire chain was also worked out, and everybody who is figuring at the primary and secondary contact of all the TJs, and more particularly from who actually turned positive at worked out, sir. And the containment was done in a very perfect manner. So it may be because of that kind of a containment activity, the spread of the virus was limited, was contained to the maximum extent in the early part of this COVID, sir. But now with this unlocked down, sir, the spread has become rampant. That's a different story. But at first, this district could able to contain the spread because of the early identification of the source, which has which is lying outside the jurisdiction area, outside the geographical limits, and it has come through a very difficult, unexpected quarter, which nobody expected before, and the containment was largely successful, and this has been reported in various media also, sir, that TJ has been the source, and the Guntur Urban District Police have done good groundwork in identifying the people who have come from the source to the state, and which helped in uh, which helped in containing the further spread and also. So this is what we want to present for the honorable jury, sir. Thank you, sir.
While jury will ask question and answers with the questions with Mr. Reddy, I'll just run poll, that is evaluation, so that organization can score other projects. Should I?
Yeah,
I'll just do that, sir. Thank you. It will pop out on your screen, on everyone's screen. They can mark other projects. Thank you.
Yeah, can we ask a question to the presenter?
Yes, sir, you can ask. I've just started this so that they can mark the projects.
Yes, sir. My question is, how did you trace the contacts, the primary and the secondary contacts, and whether technology was used in that?
Yes, sir. Inquiries with the patient, the person who turned positive, and also his call details, sir. Call details and his daily routine by physically verifying by something like a surveillance kind of thing, or examining him thoroughly in order to know what is his profession, what is his daily movement, and who are his close persons in the area, and correlating the same with the CDRs and the tower location, we could make out good number of contacts, and some of the primary contacts are very much like open or transparent, where they were able to tell us with whom they came into contact, or so that the secondary contact or the other primary contacts could be made out, sir. To be very frank, sir, at that time this Arogya Setu was not brought into picture very seriously, sir. Mostly it is based on this call details and the tower location. Sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Is everyone done with scoring?